Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you all are doing absolutely fine at home. So a new day, a new idea. और आज हम लोग फ़ोटो शूट करने वाले हैं मेरे छोटे भाई के साथ और today I'm going to edit his photo in the style of manipulation photo. I've done this kinds of edit before. These are some edits which I've done before. Or yep, so today whatsoever I'm going to shoot, I'll be making a time lapse of that video while shooting, and I'll introduce Alvin to you first. और secondly, whatsoever I'll edit, मैं उसका screen record करूँगा और you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so it will be easier for you to understand कि मैं Photoshop पे क्या edit कर रहा हूँ, what tools I'm using and what images I'm using. So yep, you can just check them out. और yep, जो मैंने पहले edit करी है manipulation photos which you have seen before, मैं उनकी link आपको नीचे description में दे दूँगा. Like I have just posted one photo on Instagram, so I'll just give the link so that you guys can check it out and you can hit the like button if you like it. So yep, चलिए let's begin with the time lapse. Okay, so he is my brother Alvin. Alvin, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so आज हम Alvin का photo shoot करेंगे. Like you guys can see his outfit, what he is wearing. Like a yellow shirt he is wearing और नीचे इसने shorts पहने हैं और normal sport shoes. Okay, so this is what he is wearing in his outfit. So yep, अब चलते हैं और देखते हैं कि हम क्या शूट करते हैं क्योंकि it's too sunny outside. So yep, let's see. Okay, so we are done with the shoot और अब बस ये कॉपी हो रही है images. So yep, once it is done, we will start editing और देखते हैं कि क्या हम edit करते हैं और क्या नहीं. So stay tuned. Here you can see that what I did was I have cutted a PNG of the model image and I have adjusted it as per my requirement and I have shifted it, or I have to shift it on the screen. So here you can see, as I have made so many layers, I have already edited this actually. So yep, I have taken this image, I have added in blur from this filter, blur gallery, and then tilt shift blur. So from here I have added blur to it. As you can see, the background image is in blur. So this is how it came to be. Okay, so yep, and then I have taken the model's image from the PNG I created. Then I have created it shadow. So after creating it shadow, it came out to be like this. So the next step what I'll be doing is I'll be shifting the entire image over here. But before that, first I'll be putting up the screen of my Instagram page, which I wanted to keep over here. See, so I have created a PNG screen of the Instagram profile cover page. So what I'm going to do next is I'll be shifting it on the screen. Okay, so I have made up a layer copy, and now I'll be dragging and dropping it over here. So yep, as you can see, it didn't fit. So I have to make it fit on the screen now. So I'll adjust it and I'll show you what I'm doing. So as you all can see, in the first image, what I did was I have cutted a PNG of Alvin's photo. In the next, what I did, I created a shadow so that I can know how does it look when I put it on a background. So the image which I have taken in the background is this. So this is how it is looking. Okay, so to me it's looking simple itself, not that good, but yeah, without this I have to manage. So what I did was I have kept this background image hidden, and next I'll be using Alvin's photo with the shadow, and here I have cutted the PNG of the Instagram screen I needed. So this is the screen. So now what I'll be inserting in here will be the screen on which I have to put all these elements. Okay, so this is our screen. Here I'll be putting this screen layer of our Instagram page. Okay, so yep, I'll adjust it up once and you guys can see how am I doing it in the upcoming time lapse. So with your love and support, ending up the video over here. If you like this video, please give it a like. Do follow me on Instagram, hit the like button on the post, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel.